Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're making homemade mashed potatoes. If you want to try this recipe yourself, stay tuned. Now we're cutting our potatoes into the size that we want. So for the most part, these potatoes are diced. We're gonna put our potatoes in the pot. After adding the potatoes to the pot, we're gonna rinse them, get some of the starch off. And then we're gonna add the appropriate amount of water and salt. We're good. Again, all we're doing is washing the potatoes off, getting some of that starch off the potatoes. After we washed off the potatoes, get the starch off, we're going to add approximately 5 cups of cold water. And again, remember the size of the potato is going to matter. So right now, we're roughly about 1 inch over the top of the potatoes with water. And that's good. Now we're going to go and get it on some heat. Let's do it. We turned our pilot on our stove to a medium heat. Now we're going to place our pot onto the stove. And we're going to add kosher salt. And here we're going to season to taste. So it's really up to you, and depending on how much potatoes that you're actually cooking. But again, season to taste. Cover that with a lid, and we're going to let that go, and we'll check here and there. But we'll pretty much want to cook until potatoes are done. Okay, we're checking our potatoes. You just want to make sure that the temperature of the burner is right. So again, we're on a medium heat. You don't want, we cover the potatoes so they can soften, but you definitely don't want those to overboil or the water to boil over. We're going to check our potatoes just to make sure they're soft. These been on for approximately 20 minutes. Oh yeah, that's nice and soft. Okay, got it. So we're going to turn the heat off of here. We're going to drain off. Be careful here. You definitely want to make sure you don't burn yourself. A lot of steam coming off those potatoes. We're going to put them back into the pan. Again, be very careful. These potatoes are really hot. You can see the steam coming off those potatoes.
Looking good.
Here we go. With our potatoes, we're adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. One-third cup of whole milk. And a quarter cup of Honduran cream. Then we're going to mash that up real nice. This is where you get your workout in. This is the beautiful part about making potatoes at home. Fresh made. Not store-bought. Not frozen. Not something that you're going to put in the microwave. Freshly made. Really, really good potatoes. You just want to make sure you mash those up real good. All done. Have fun with this one. Here's the final results. Enjoy. Looking good.